my name's Amber and I manage properties in the city of Tustin with Progressive Property Management, and today let's talk security deposits. Now, odds are if you're watching this right now, you're probably only collecting 1 month security deposit. Did you know that in the state of California you can collect up to 2 months or 3 months if it's furnished? So why is it that most owners only collect 1? Well, typically tenants will fight back on this. And it's either because they don't have enough money or it's just principle. They don't want to give you more than 1 month because that's kind of what's standard. Well, we realized that this was a problem here at Progressive and we found a solution. It's called our Tenant Preferred program. It makes our owners happy and our tenants. You still will get your 2 month security deposit, but the tenant will only have to pay 1 or no month's security deposit with the waiver fee. If you want to learn more about this program and other ones that we have here at Progressive Property Management, give me a call or email me today. Again, my name's Amber and I manage properties with Progressive Property Management.